Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the YouTube account that owns the live stream, then open the live video in the YouTube studio or as a viewer. Once done, confirm whether captions are auto-generated or provided as an uploaded SRT file because the removal process differs. Make sure to have managerial access. Without it, you cannot change caption settings. Now, go to the video details or the live control room to find subtitle and CC options so you can take the first actionable step. You navigate to YouTube Studio, open Content, then the Live tab and select the active stream. Next, go to Subtitles for that stream and locate the language track. Auto-generated tracks are labeled Automatic. Uploaded ones show file names. Once you find the track, click the three-dot options menu and choose Disable or Delete. Disabling hides captions immediately, deleting removes the file permanently. If automatic captions reappear, proceed to the channel level settings to stop auto-generation so it does not return. You finish by refreshing the live page and verifying the closed caption. CC toggle is off for viewers. This confirms removal. If captions still appear, make sure to clear browser cache or test in incognito to rule out caching issues and check other devices. Once you've disabled auto captions at the stream level, also review channel language and transcription settings to prevent regeneration. Troubleshooting tip: if automatic captions persist, temporarily disable live captions in account settings or contact YouTube support for persistent auto caption removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.